Welcome to MedullaRPA, your lightweight RPA tool that runs directly on your system, no orchestration, no cloud, and absolutely low cost. In this quick tutorial, let's automate a simple employee registration form. We have an online employee registration form that contains the following fields: name, contact number, email, address, education, and experience. Let's start by copying the URL of the registration form. Now, open MedullaRPA and double-click the first step, Open URL. Paste the form link inside the URL box. Next, add a sleep step and set the time to 1000 milliseconds to allow the page to load completely. Now, let's enter data into each field. Double-click Send Text Message. Go to your browser, right-click on the name field, and choose Inspect. Copy the full XPath of the element and paste it into MedullaRPA. Then, enter the value, John. Repeat the same process for other fields. For each field, copy the XPath, paste it, and provide the desired value. Once all fields are filled, we'll handle the Submit button. Inspect the Submit button in the browser, copy its XPath, paste it in MedullaRPA, and choose the Click action. Now click Save Project, and then hit Run. Watch as MedullaRPA automatically opens the form, fills in all the details, and submits it, completely hands-free. That's how easily you can build an automation workflow with MedullaRPA. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Visit our official website to download MedullaRPA and start automating your daily tasks today.